Today, we're going to explore the Milky Way to see 5 of the largest stars by diameter in our galaxy. Thank you for watching. Let's begin. Our Sun is a giant ball of plasma that emits a tremendous amount of light and heat. It's the center of our solar system, and it's the source of life on Earth. Compared to Earth, the Sun is massive. But did you know that our Sun is not a very big star? In fact, it's a medium-sized star, technically called a yellow dwarf. It has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, or 870,000 miles. That's about 109 times the diameter of Earth. That means you could fit more than 1 million Earths inside the Sun. If the Sun was the size of a basketball, the Earth would be the size of a grain of sand. That's pretty impressive. But there are stars out there, much, much bigger than the Sun. These are the supergiants and hypergiants, the behemoths of the stellar world. They have diameters that range from hundreds to thousands of times that of the Sun. They are so huge that many of them would swallow most of the planets in our solar system if they were placed at the Sun's position. They are also very bright, very hot, and very short-lived. They burn through their fuel very quickly, and they end their lives with a spectacular explosion called a supernova. So what are the 5 largest stars by diameter discovered in our galaxy so far? This is not a simple question to answer, as many sources give very different results. Many of the measurements are also approximate and can vary drastically. For now, I've done my best to include stars that appear across multiple sources. Let's count them down, from the 5th to the 1st. Number 5, V354 Cephei. This is a red supergiant star, located about 9,000 light-years away from us, in the constellation of Cepheus. It has a diameter of about 1.5 billion kilometers, or 955 million miles. That's about 1,099 times the diameter of the Sun. If you replace the Sun with V354 Cephei, it would encompass Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the asteroid belt. You could fit about 1.33 billion suns inside V354 Cephei. Number 4, VY Canis Majoris. This is a red hypergiant star, located about 3,900 light-years away from us, in the constellation of Canis Major. It has a diameter of about 1.976 billion kilometers, or 1.228 billion miles. That's about 1,419 times the diameter of the Sun. If you replace the Sun with VY Canis Majoris, it would encompass Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. You could fit about 2.86 billion suns inside VY Canis Majoris. Number 3, NML Cygni. This is a red hypergiant star, located about 5,300 light-years away from us, in the constellation of Cygnus. It has a diameter of about 2.28 billion kilometers, or 1.41 billion miles. That's about 1,637 times the diameter of the Sun. If you replace the Sun with NML Cygni, it would encompass Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. You could fit about 4.41 billion suns inside NML Cygni. Number 2, UY Scuti. This was once considered the largest star ever discovered until the discovery of our final star. UY Scuti is a red hypergiant star located about 9,500 light-years away from us in the constellation of Scutum. It has a diameter of about 2.376 billion kilometers, or 1.476 billion miles. That's about 1,707 times the diameter of the Sun. If you replace the Sun with UY Scuti, it would encompass Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. You could fit about 4.98 billion suns inside UY Scuti. And finally, number 1. Stephenson 2, 18. This is the largest star by diameter discovered in our galaxy and in the universe. It's a red hypergiant star located nearly 20,000 light-years away from us in the cluster of Stephenson 2 in the constellation of Scutum. It has a diameter of about 2.99 billion kilometers, or 1.85 billion miles. That's about 2,148 times the diameter of the Sun. If you replace the Sun with Stephenson 2, 18, it would encompass Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. You could fit about 6.87 billion suns inside Stephenson 2, 18. So there you have it, the 5 largest stars by diameter discovered in our galaxy and in the universe. They are truly colossal, and they make our Sun look like a minuscule dot. Our Sun may be small, but it's still very important to us. It's the star that gives us light, warmth, and life. So the next time you see the Sun, or any other star in the night sky, think about how big they are, and how small we are, and how amazing it is that we can learn about them, marvel at them, and appreciate them. That's the beauty of science, and the wonder of the cosmos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. If you did, feel free to show your support with a like and by sharing this video with someone else who may enjoy it. I would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and be well.